power is too strong. How to
You just put it here
okay.
and after close.
Oh,
It's now it's closed. Open. Just close it. Tight. Every time you have to switch off.
okay. Well,
Because you can touch the foot on top table. It's when you move it, you have to be ready.
how can I do this? Just like that. Oh, I can see it. Yes, yes. I just can see nothing. And then it's not
It's
close.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Okay.
Every time you check. Okay. You just touch it, and touch it one time, and go back a little bit, just like this, and keep this distance, and go. Very slowly. It's the same. You create like you create like small liquid, and after when you work with oxygen,
Yeah.
you create small liquid and you push it. You push this liquid.
Yeah.
It's the same. You just touch it and a little bit back, and it creates liquid and go with this liquid.
And just and then use this and then right to the left and just right. It's not.
It's up to you.
The teacher said it's
No.
no. Car.
Turn off.
Turn down.
Okay.
Okay, so touch it.
Touch a little bit back. Keep this distance around 3-4 millimeter, and go with liquid.
Okay.
When it sticks, for example, it can be a stick here.
Yeah.
So just several times.
Move it.
Yeah. Part of the road, because you put your rope inside. You just keep distance like this. Okay. Soon you have to see this part.
So I touch too much.
Yeah, you put it inside, but you keep it away a little bit. Out. Like this. No, you just go.
It's too heavy. So I should like push this like this, and I take out and take out, join.
You just touch it first time.
Yeah.
Let's go this part.
Yeah.
After this part, you go very slowly like this.
Touch too much. When I touch this, I can't see anything with this it's too difficult.
Not like this time. This is one, maybe I learned 3 rows.
Okay, I try.
too big.
Yeah. It's too big.